here we go. Okay, you'll see a lot of shots similar to this. This is like 2 miles from the Pagani factory over in Italy. They're outside of Modena. Here we've got a Pagani Zonda Roadster. This car was a crap load of fun, people. And you know, look at the little road this is on. Now, this was a dead end, and this is one of my tricks, particularly over there, is where you shoot, you find dead end roads and take something up it, particularly when it's like this, because this draws a crowd just like that. Yeah, Zonda Roadster, his technology is fantastic because his structure is so rigid that when they take the roof off, you hardly even feel it. It's marvelous. Let's see where we go from here. Bingo. Here's seeing the interior of the Roadster. Everything's handmade. And what I love about Pagani is when you look at the ancillary, like the instrument panel, the ancillary knobs and levers and rocker switches and all that, it's all made in-house. And so this is true automotive jewelry. In fact, and so, boom, look at the stitching. There we are. Look at the 6-speed transmission. Don't you love it? You know, everyone has their starter button somewhere. He puts it on top of the shift knob. How friggin' cool is that? Welcome to the wonderful world of Pagani. You know, just look at the texture on that. The way there's the different textures. You've got like the aluminum finish, and then you've got the leather for the boot, and then you go down to where the transmission tunnel is. It's just, and the stitching. Look at it going around the air conditioning and all that type of stuff. Just great stuff. Here's classic Pagani. If anything says Pagani, it's the 4 exhaust tailpipes. I mean, rocket ship ready to go. And it went. When I was over there, and I can't remember if it was this one or another one, but I actually called a friend back in the States on my cell phone. And we were out on like one of these little 2-lane roads. Let's see where we go here. Okay, it wasn't on this road, but it was like one of these little roads like this. And so I called up and I said, okay, here's 0 to 100 in about 10. And I just held the phone near the air intake and just dropped the hammer and ran it through the gears up to 100. And then I go like that, click, and hung up. So that was good fun. Here I am with the Roadster. Yeah, now you see, you know, some of the vineyards that you find over in the Modena area. Another bucket list item. We talked about Villa d'Este and the event and that whole area of Lake Como. If you haven't been, go. It's gorgeous. This is another fantastic place. The whole Modena area. Again, this is maybe 2-3 miles from the Pagani factory. There's the Zonda Roadster. Boom. There you've got the instrument panel. Good selection here. Look at that. Look at the friggin' jewelry. You know, the instrument faces, the whole surround, everything. It's all done in-house. Look at the steering wheel. It's friggin' insane. And when you look at it really closely, the quality control is just off the charts. I don't know if they have an exterior picture. We'll find out. But so the Zondas, they're all carbon fiber. Some people order it in carbon fiber with a clear coat on top of it. And so they don't even paint it. And when you look at it, it's like the herringbone weave. It hits a perfect V like this. Who in their God's name does that? Friggin' Pagani does.